Hey everybody, let's go over this Solana USDT analysis. So this is for informational and educational purposes only, and we're just gonna go over this analysis of the Solana chart. Currently Solana right now at roughly $100.54, down 47% in the last 90 days. So let's go over a quick detailed explanation. Excuse me a second. Okay. Solana USDT market analysis report from W3MCT research team. Thank you to CoinAnk Market Data and their AI intelligence analysis. We're going to go ahead and provide this amazing detailed explanation. I hope you're ready for it because we got a lot to go over. So the moving average system. So we're seeing a bearish alignment, right? The current price at $117 trading below all major moving averages. You know, the 5 at 126, the 10 at 130, the 20 at 132, and the 120 at 182. This indicates a sustained sell-in pressure, and it confirms the dominant downtrend. Now, the bearish signal, the right, remains below the DEA, and the histogram is negative. This suggests continued downward momentum, though the convergence of the lines indicates potential for a slowdown in momentum. Now the Bollinger Bands, right? Price is trading near the lower band with a value of about 4%. This indicates the asset is in extreme oversold condition and is trading at the lower boundary of its recent volatility range. A reversion towards the middle band around 132. At the same time, right now, I'm still keeping myself and sitting on my hand. Now, for a few indicator data, we're seeing that there's a slight bearish bias among perpetual swap traders. The sentiment is not extremely skewed, but for Solana, for Sol, this is not a strong contrarian signal. However, the current price near the 24-hour low on substantial volume indicating selling pressure is still present. The high volume on recent declines can also signal capitulation, offering a precursor to a potential bounce. Now the capital flow, there is a contract net flow and is overwhelmingly negative across all major time frames, indicating massive capital outflow from the futures market. This is a strong bearish momentum indicator. It's not looking good at all. So what can we get from all of this? Anyone that's focused on a future forward looking is a cautious long, right? You're looking for that counter trend bounce. For my traders out there, consider a long entry around near the key support levels. We're looking at the 116 area, anticipating maybe a technical bounce from this oversold extreme. A conservative approach would be to wait for a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, all right, to form and confirm some buying presence. Our tight stop loss is crucial given the dominant downtrend. Maybe set it at 110, but be careful. These manipulation, this liquidation hunting that's happening right now in the market. The stop loss or even a tight stop loss, would really probably negatively affect you. So like I said, over here at W3MCT, we are sitting on our hands and we're not doing anything. But anyone else that wants to at least hear this information, do with it as you please. Target price from our entry would be a nice simple counter trade bounce with the first key resistance around 130. And this will give us about potentially a 15% potential profit move. A conservative trader could take partial profits around the 20 period moving average at 132.80. This is not financial advice. This is informational, educational purposes only using the AI analysis tool. Thank you again. We'll catch you guys on